This layout isn't broken, but it also isn't correct. It passes the review, it looks fine, and then the moment you reuse it or resize it, something falls off. It has nothing to do with the components and almost nothing to do with the auto layout. It happens when the wrong frames owns the width. Currently in this particular instance, all the sections, page wrapper sections, rows, cards, everything is set to fill container. Here is the real issue. The page fills the viewport, the section fills the page, and the rows fills the section. 3 frames, all claiming ownership on the same rule. Here's something you have to remember. If one or more frames owns the same rule, the layout becomes unpredictable. Let that land. This is why these bugs or other issues survive the reviews. It looks alright, as soon as you implement it, here you go, you got the bug. Nothing looks broken. Auto layout is doing exactly what it told it to do. But there is a single source of truth. Now let's apply the fix. Let's duplicate this section and let's set the constraints. The auto layout set to fill container and the grid container is set to wrap and alignment set to center. Select the page wrapper and apply the constraints you see on the screen. Auto layout settings for the page wrapper. Here you're gonna have for the grid container and for the cards. The fix is not adjusting the spacing. The fix is deciding who owns the width. The page owns it, the section respects it, rows stop pretending they control it. Now, when layout changes context, everything behaves consistently, not because it's flexible, but because it's disciplined. Same components, same auto layout, completely different behavior. Here's the takeaway. Auto layout doesn't break layouts, designers do. When you give authority to the wrong frame, decide ownership first, then design. In the next video, I will connect the full page responsiveness, headers, sections, and grid, working together as one system.